In front of me is Motorola Edge 16 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can delete the Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for Remove section to show. When it does, drag your search bar on top of it and let go. As you can see, after a few seconds, mine was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, hold your display and hit Widgets at the bottom left corner. Then you need to scroll to find the Google app, tap on it, scroll again, and when you see search bar widget, hold it and drag it to the perfect place. Then let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!